Hello, and welcome to Headline Reports. In today's global briefing, we are watching four major geopolitical pressure points: Gaza, Ukraine, Taiwan, and Iran. First, Gaza remains at the center of global concern. Recent reporting says Israel's leadership has signaled wider military control inside Gaza, while humanitarian conditions continue to deteriorate. Civilian casualties, displacement, and access to aid remain key concerns for the international community. The main question now is whether military escalation will continue, or whether diplomatic pressure can create space for a more stable ceasefire. Second, the war in Ukraine continues to shape European security. Long-range missile and drone attacks remain a central part of the conflict. Even as international leaders discuss possible negotiations, the reality on the ground shows that the war is still highly active. Ukraine is trying to protect its cities and energy infrastructure, while Russia continues to rely on sustained pressure from the air and along the front line. Third, tensions around Taiwan remain one of the most sensitive issues in the Asia-Pacific region. China continues to view Taiwan as part of its territory, while Taiwan's government sees Chinese military activity around the island as a serious threat to regional stability. Because the Taiwan Strait is also vital for global trade and technology supply chains, any escalation there could have consequences far beyond Asia. Fourth, Iran and the United States remain locked in a delicate diplomatic and security situation. Reports suggest that talks around Iran's nuclear program and regional de-escalation may continue, but the path forward is still uncertain. Major issues include uranium enrichment, sanctions, regional military activity, and the security of the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important energy routes. So, what is the bigger picture? These four flashpoints are separate, but they are connected by one major trend. The world is becoming more unstable, and diplomacy is being tested on several fronts at the same time. Gaza shows the human cost of unresolved conflict. Ukraine shows the endurance of modern war.